I've reached a little bit of a milestone here in building this Maloof low back. There's a little bit of chainsaw noise in the background here. I hope that isn't too annoying. But I've dry fitted up all the rough sawn parts to this chair, Maloof low back. It's at a stage where there's just a phenomenal amount of work yet to go. All the sculpting of these parts, and much of that sculpting has to be done with hand tools after it's glued. Right now it's dry fitted and all the joinery is fastened with some long number 10 wood screws, and these wood screw areas will be plugged in the final assembly after gluing. Now, before I glue, I'm going to take this apart and do some more shaping of the seat. I need to go deeper with this recess here. So that again is done with hand tools, mostly a travisher. One of the things I'd like to point out here is there's a pile of the templates that I've been using, and one of the things that's helped is flattened templates. For example, here's an inside face of the arm that is flattened. So, in other words, I can sit it in the curvature, and it is full length as I lay it down in the curvature, and that helped me a lot in marking the angle of the fit up to the back leg. That's a difficult part. Actually, I have both this face flattened, and I have the flattened outside face. So I could put this on this curvature and mark the placement of the joint to the back leg. And that helped me in roughing this out, and then finally fitting it with a block plane. So this is probably the most difficult joint here. There's a dowel that is inside the top of this front leg, and it goes up into the arm. So that's a flat joint. All of this is going to be rounded over with hand tools, but I can't do that until this is all glued up. So the next step here is to take this apart now and work the seat, and then reassemble with glue, and then start all the shaping of the joinery and the parts, which will be a pretty difficult job.